When the shooting started, people started rushing out, running out, and the door was closed, and the guy turned on them and started shooting them. So I knew I had no chance. There was a bench. I just lie down under my half body under the bench, and my legs are out, and pretending to stop my breath. And he changed magazines 7 times. And I start bang, 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 and then when the bullets finished, then he starts changing the magazine, and then again. So the mosque is in about few compartments. So he went to all different compartments, and he shot everyone.
I was in the side room, one of the side room, and then the imam, he started his sermon, and then suddenly we heard the shooting, and then people were running out. I saw some people, they were running out through the room I was in, and then when I saw blood, then I was confirmed that it was actually shooting.